Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a lovely Neptune Deluxe to show you. We are on the Costa Calida on an urbanization called CampoSol, and we're only about 20 minutes from several beautiful beaches down in Matheron near the port, and there's beautiful marinas there as well. If you own a boat you can moor your boat or yacht there, and we're about 30 minutes from Covera Murcia International Airport. So let me take you around now and we come around this beautiful home. So as you can see guys, the walls are raised for privacy and they got this lovely stonework at the bottom. You've got this rolled back gate, which is great, and you have a pergola in here, you know, to shade your car. Now the garden itself is very low maintenance, and you got all these beautiful oleanders. Now they're in bloom and they're usually beautiful when they're all out at the same time. So just up here you have some outside dining. You have an umbrella there. You could put a sail over that if you wanted to give you some shade. Now as I pan around, you can see there's a lovely area here where you can just have a coffee and read the newspaper, or a nice dip in the pool. So let me take this pool area from a different angle. So I thought I'd come down at the bottom of the pool here, just to let you see the property. So you have got a shower over there, you've got lovely loungers or an area to lounge in, and you got your area just if you wanted a cup of coffee. It's a lovely pool as well, quite deep, and it's got a dolphin in the middle. So I'm going to take you up and we're going to have a look around the main house itself. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's about 40 degrees now and it's getting quite hot. So here's the steps up. You can see this lovely Andalusian tiles here, and we're going up into the D section here, which has been enclosed. Now coming to the D section, it's nice and cool in here. You got your ceiling light and fan there. Really nice and cool, and this overlooks that lovely pool area as well. So the windows of course come across, and this is normally a terrace but they have enclosed it as extra accommodation, you know. So let's go into the main property itself. So this is beautiful. You've got this lovely stained glass window on the doors there. I'm just going to shut that across. As I come back you can see the beautiful stained glass windows on those doors there, and that is great because the light comes into this area as well. So you got overhead storage and you got a double wardrobe there. You also have radiators there, and you have got your aircon. So this is another house that is beautiful, that has aircon and radiators in it, and you have a feature fireplace. It doesn't look like they've used the feature fireplace. It's just a decorative electric fire in there, and that's probably because they've got the central heating. But you could use it and you could put a log burner fire in there if you wanted to. But it's just as nice as it is like a feature fireplace. And you got that ceiling light and fan, very modern one, just above there as well. So I'm just going to come over this area just to give you an idea of the room. So let me take you through the archway and we'll have a look at the 2 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. Now through here you have an uplighter just there. Now this is generally a master bedroom. You have aircon, ceiling light and fan, a very modern one. You got records and blackout blinds on the windows, and you got radiators throughout the house as well. I'm just going to come down here, pan around for you. So that archway there leads to the wardrobes and the ensuite. Let's have a look in there. So here you have your double wardrobe, and you have a single wardrobe there as well. Again, you have another uplighter, and this leads to your ensuite. Now the ensuite has been upgraded with this very large shower with the semi-frosted shower screen. That's a sliding door and a rain head shower in it. Just above you've got spotlights, and just below there you've got your WC, your bidet and your sink and pedestal. You've also got a frosted glass window there, and you've got your radiators just here. Just going to pan around, and just above the door you have got an overhead heater, which you probably only use in the summer because you wouldn't use your full central heating. Okay, so we'll go in and around. Now just here, if you imagine, there is an area here where you could put a doorway here, and if you did that and put a doorway here, this would make this another bedroom ensuite. So this house at the moment has 2 bedrooms with 2 ensuites, and then you've got your separate bedroom with a guest bathroom. But just by putting that door on would give you that extra ensuite. So in here is your shower cubicle. You have got a sink in a vanity unit and your WC. You've got your radiator there just behind the door and your shower cubicle. Okay, just in here, this is a guest bedroom. It has his and her wardrobes in it. You have a ceiling light and fan above, keeps the room nice and cool, and you have a guest bed over there. You can put a large double bed in here, or it will take bunk beds and a single bed in here as well. You've got your radiator behind the door as well. So let me take you through some beautiful paintings here as well. So we're back into this lovely spacious living room, and I'm just going to take you through to the dining area over here. You have got a ceiling light and fan above, and you've got your dining room table and chairs and a unit. Just in here is your kitchen. Squared off, you've got plenty of top and base units. You have like a granite splashback on the cooker there, your electric hob and your integrated oven. You've got a lovely granite worktop space and sink and drainer there. You've also got your dishwasher and your washing machine. Plenty of top and base units, like I've said. Plenty of storage, and you've got your radiator at the other end. It's all fully tiled, and you've got your fridge freezer there as well. So I'm going to take you, and we're going to have a look upstairs in the top box. So I'm just going to take you outside now. Now this staircase is enclosed, and as you can see, there is a ramp coming from this back door from the kitchen, which is very handy. You have a couple of steps up here, and then we're going up to the top box. Beautiful staircase done, lovely windows with that lovely covering on. But it's really very pretty, and that's all the way up the stairs, and you've got your handrail as well. So let's go up to the top, guys. Now just come to the top, and what's quite unusual about this particular property is you have a door and a wrecker out onto the terrace there. We're just going in here to the top box, and in the top box, as you can see, there is a ceiling light and fan, and there's also aircon. Just going to pan around for you guys. So it's quite a big spacious room, and you have a wall heater on the wall there. The ensuite is just through here. So you have got your sink and pedestal, your bidet, your WC, your bath, a shower attachment. It's all fully tiled, and you've got a shower curtain. You've got a frosted glass window there as well. So if I just pan around to give you a glimpse, you can see it's storage and your linen basket there. So you got his and her wardrobes in here. It's lovely and cool because of the fan is on, which is really nice. You've got this insect screen as well. And we're coming out here onto the rooftop solarium. Beautiful views out here. Now, lovely area to sit and enjoy the sunshine. And of course you've got your storage over there, and around the corner you have that door with the wrecker on it. Now this overlooks the pool area. If you're wondering what these are just to stop the birds sitting up here. And that looks over the pool down there. So let's go over here just to show you. So that's the door at the top of the stairs. So we're going back inside. So we're just back inside now, and I'm going to take you all downstairs. This is a lovely room. Just pan around again for you so you can see the ensuite's in there, and this is a large double bedroom with the terrace outside. So let's go down the stairs and have a look around the rest of the gardens. Now I'm back downstairs. I'm just outside the kitchen door, and I'm going to go down the ramp, and we're going to investigate the gardens around here. So I'm back downstairs now, and we're going to have a look around the garden. It's got some beautiful blossoms in here. This looks like a storage shed. We'll just have a look inside. It is, it's nice storage too. So you've got a freezer and a fridge, a window. You've got spotlights above as well. So you've got your electrics in here. So a nice little storage area. Could be a craft room even for someone. So let me go around the side here. So you have all your bits and pieces if you're like gardening, just to potter around the garden. And you've got some more storage, or maybe an underbuild. No, it's just where they keep the boiler. And you got your tank there, and another gas boiler just there. And some more storage. So it's quite a nice low maintenance garden. And we're going back to around the pool area. So guys, it's really lovely and hot out here in Spain. I bet some of you can't wait down to go and visit the beaches here on the Costa Calida. So when you're viewing, make this stop to be one of the properties that you look at. It's really beautiful. You've got a fabulous pool just there. You've got a lovely shed, storage shed at the back, which could be used as a craft room if you wanted, or a man cave, or even an outside kitchen, because it's got all the electrics in there anyway. So if you're interested in this property, do contact the agent. I will leave the agent's details in the description box below, along with the reference number. So please do contact info@sellettobuy.com if you're interested in this property. So until the next time, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Do press that like button, it pushes it out to other people. And I just want to say, I've just discovered that by putting the reference number in the title of the video, it doesn't help the algorithm finding some of these beautiful houses. So going forward, I'm going to be just putting them in the description box. Okay? So take care everyone, and I see you in the next video.